Hi everybody, it is Sonja and I am here with my Petit Vour unboxing. I'm really excited for this. I'm a little bit late getting it done. I've been in the process of moving from Arizona to Massachusetts and everything's been busy, so I've been kind of delayed getting stuff done, like getting videos edited, getting them posted. And then in Massachusetts where I moved, we're living in a hotel until our rental house is available. So I had packages shipped to my aunt's house and she's like an hour and a half away. So I just went to go see her for Thanksgiving and thus grabbed this. So now I can do an unboxing. So I have a lot of videos that I'm recording all at once here. So here's the box. And this is the November subscription box. So it looks really cute. And I'm sorry if you hear a lot of noise in the background. My kids are playing a game and I have these loud neighbors that just moved in. So here's the card. And yeah, and here's the back that says everything in here. So I need my handy dandy glasses for this, and let's jump in. Now, if you've been following, you know, I haven't been the biggest fan of the Petit Vour boxes, but I thought, well, let's get the November and December boxes. Maybe like they'll have holiday stuff that will be more exciting. So we will see. The Petit Vour boxes are all vegan and cruelty free. Okay, so how the boxes work is you will get a box every month. They're guaranteed to be worth at least $50 in value, and they'll have at least 4 products in them. Usually they have 4 products in them, sometimes 5. And it is $18 a month if you pay monthly, and that's what I do. But if you pay for a full year, then the boxes only end up being $15 a box, which is $180 for the year. I have not been like totally in love with these boxes, and I've really enjoyed the kinder boxes more, but we'll see, So this is the November box. So the first thing that it has listed, so inside it looks like this, and I'm not going to go with the first thing they have listed. I'm going to go with the first thing here, which is this Bizico Hydrate Skin Smooth Wrinkles Q Applause hand wipe for hydrating dry skin. So there's 3 of these. Let's read the card and see what the card says. So these are worth $2, and it says, wave hello to soft, youthful looking hands. No harshness, no drying, no damage, just clean, smooth, beautiful skin. Even better, they're 100% biodegradable. So 100% biodegradable is really cool. And it says, no rinse required. Peptides help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and support natural collagen. Collagen supports skin elasticity for youthful, smooth appearance. Well, there's 3 of these, so I don't know what to think of those. We'll try them. The next thing in the box is single eyeshadow. Eyeshadow single. I don't mean this bad, but this is kind of lame. Like a single use eyeshadow, and it says this is worth $10. This is worth $10. Like, I don't know. So it says, enhance your natural beauty with the power of crystals. Pigments of topaz, amethyst, and other crystals illuminate the eyes, while coconut oil and shea butter creates a smooth, buttery texture for a one-swipe application. I don't know. Oh, well, there's more than just one. It's like a little thing. But, I mean, so you can definitely use this more than once. Oh, it is really soft feeling. Sorry, I have this from my last video I just did. It's really light. It's kind of a natural color. I mean, this would probably be good if you're just like doing a quick makeup look for the day and you just want to swipe something over your eye for just like a nice look. I think it's really pretty for that. It's kind of an awkward thing, but I mean, that's actually not bad. I don't know, it's not bad. Okay, so the next thing on the list is charcoal toothpaste. So let me tell you a little something about me. I actually worked in the dental field for about 25 years, and this wasn't, people didn't have charcoal toothpaste when I was still working in the dental field. I stopped working when my first child was about 6 months old, but I've actually done consulting and training and temp and different kind of stuff a few times, you know, all these years after. So I don't really know a lot of dentists if they say that you should use this or not. One of the things with it says it's fluoride free, and toothpaste isn't really actually necessary for anything. The only thing in toothpaste that does anything is the fluoride. If you're not using a toothpaste, with fluoride, there's really no reason to even use a toothpaste. And I don't know. I just don't know. I am not going to use this at all. I see no point in it. Just with everything that I know, yeah, I don't think I'm going to use this. I'll open it and show it to you guys, but I think this is one of those fads that, so this is the charcoal toothpaste. It smells very minty. It smells like toothpaste. I will put some in my mouth. Tastes minty. That's the only other thing toothpaste does, is it actually provides like the fresh breath feeling, but it makes your mouth feel gross. No, so I won't be using this. So yeah, let's look at the last product. And so the toothpaste is worth $4. So the last thing that is the most valuable is the Chicky Botanica Serene Serum, $56. And it says this ultra calming facial serum is the answer to sensitive skin. Oh, I have sensitive skin. A blend of therapeutic botanical oils combined to smooth and balance the skin that is irritated, red, uneven in tone, blemish prone, or tired. So that actually all sounds really nice. It smells fine, I think. I don't really know. Oh, it's like, look at it. I don't know if you can see. It's like almost like a bluish sea green or something like that. Ooh, it's really oily feeling and feels smooth. It smells good. That actually, I'm kind of excited to try that. I am excited to try that one. So that one I think is good. It's kind of weird though. It had no seal. Like no safety seal or anything. It was just kind of in here. No box. I don't know. I never know how I feel about stuff like that. When there's like no safety seal or whatever. I don't know. How do you guys feel about that? It's always hard to tell, you know? So anyways, this was the box. I'm going to go ahead and put on the side how much everything was, what the total box value was. I don't know. It's kind of like all of the other Petit Vour boxes I've received where I don't feel overly excited about them. And some people might. Some people might be so excited for the toothpaste. And some people might be really excited for that serum. The serum sounds nice. It sounds like it'd be soothing on your skin. My hand where I put it, my skin feels really soft there. So yeah, so this is the box. And like I said, I think it just depends on what you want. I'm not overly excited about this box again. I have not been overly excited about any of the Petit Vour boxes. There's been like a couple things in them that I've been like, oh yeah, but I don't know. I'm not loving them. So I'm going to do one more box, the December box, and I'm hoping it's going to be like a nice holiday box. So we'll see. So anyway, so that's this box. I'm going to put everything in the description so you can see it along with the link if you want to give these a try yourself. And I would really appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up, you liked this, you subscribed. It's even better if you put a notification when I post videos. You know, now I'm hoping to get caught up, so maybe I'll be posting more. Share this with your friends. Feel free to comment. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.